Best curtain steamers. Number 1. High-Life Steamer for Clothes Steamer. This unit of High-Life comes with a relatively large water container. It can hold up to 240 milliliters of water. The unit is relatively lightweight. It weighs only 0.568 kilograms, and the handle is quite comfortable to hold on to. It also comes with a lengthy power cable. The 9.2 feet power cable that it comes with will let you reach the higher up places and remove all the wrinkles from hard-to-reach spots of the curtains. Number 2. BIZOND Steamer for Clothes Mini. This unit implements a unique design that makes it possible to work from all angles. You will be able to get it working while being upside down too, and it will not leak a bit. The unit comes packed with a nano filter. It traps water and keeps it separated from the heating element that is inside the device. Other than that, the unit is quite lightweight too. It is only 570 grams, which makes it easy to carry. Number 3. Magic Pro Portable Garment Steamer. The device is designed following all the safety protocols. There is an automatic shutoff mechanism that will turn the unit off when it gets too hot, which will protect the user's hands from being burned. Alongside that, it will also shut off if the water level is too low. Other than that, you will not have to worry about any leaking problems with this device. Number 4. Magictech Portable Travel Garment Steamer. In the case of removing the wrinkles properly from the curtains, a steamer that has a balanced nozzle design will make the task feel effortless. The unit comes featured with a unique design for the nozzle. This design evenly distributes the steam to the clothes and helps in quickly removing all the wrinkles from the surface. On the other hand, it does not only de-wrinkle the clothes, but it will also help in cleaning, sanitizing, sterilizing, treating, defrosting, and refreshing them. It will work on fabrics like satin, blends, cotton, nylon, polyester, wool, silk, linen, and many more. Number 5. Conair Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. The unit is more than just a garment steamer. It comes with a unique nozzle design that will let you kill about 99.9% of bacteria that live in fabrics. Alongside that, it will also eliminate any mites or bugs that might be on it. Thus, you will be able to sanitize your curtains properly with this. It can provide steam for about 15 minutes, which is enough to sanitize and de-wrinkle all your curtains. You will receive a creaser, fabric brush, and a soft cushion brush.